Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Chin. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Happy 2025. Hope everything good are going for you so far. Bless up to each and every one. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads. Yes, my love, I know I wonder when I don't it. I wonder. I not think me gone with 2024. If I not think somebody gone with 2024, I know kinda right. And I really gone with 24, my loves. But you know, based on all of the galang men so galang out here with 2024, I was so disappointed with 2024, my love. 2024 galang with too much bangarang out here on social media, especially over TikTok, my loves. I made it have to take it upon myself, my dear children, to ensure, say, when 2024 did I go away, my follow back at 2024, my loves. I sit with that 2024 gone and never to return, my loves. And I never want 2024 to corrupt 2025, my dear children. I wanted 2025 to cross over peacefully. Come on, never want 2024 but 2025, my dear children. I go pack up nothing in my head. I want to tell you now, my dear children, you know, but me reach at the border now, you know, my loves. Between 2024 and 2025, me turn up at the border. And one little toops a distraction, my love. One little toops. Me just turn round my head a little bit. You understand, my loves? Turn round my head a little bit, my dear children. For me did so fright, my love, when me hear Popcorn Vice ball out and tell Scatter that he must go suck him, mama, my love, we echo all about in a 2025, my dear children. I don't know how you have, my love, but don't ask me about 2024 now, my love, find a way to go in a 2025. Me did I try to fix it, my loves, but it no work. Me did just a hope and pray na myself, my love, so would I get a nice, you know, decent, peaceful 2025, my love. Boy, no work. Me do everything when I could have think of, my love. Maybe I have 2025 in a kalanga water. Me rub down 25 in a consecrated olive oil and I do what my loves. I don't know if I show a Agnes consecrated olive oil because pastor never did it and it's a new backlash olive oil. So I say, Agnes, like how you is a church woman, pray for this olive oil and consecrate it for me. And I hit me love me is a ninth down 2025 my loves. If you like I said 2025, I go worse than 2024. But my dear children, I tried. Don't care. I said she never tried. I tried, my loves. So hence the reason why me this come because I did busy. I try to fix it. Anyways, my love, me see everything we are going. But me decide to me want to start out on a positive note. Don't get me wrong. Me nah left out. Me like mix up and me nah left out. Me like sus them. Me sorry, me nah left the people them business. But me did want to start it on a positive note. And what better way if you start it, my love? What better way if you start it than to big up the one and only DMG to the mother flipping world, my loves?
The homeless food is ready. Big chicken, ham, well not all the ham, fish, strawberry oxtail in sorrel with sorrel, rice and peas, Spanish rice, callaloo rice, escovitch fish, and you know what's going on here. And let me guys show you my strawberry oxtail with beans, strawberry sorrel oxtail. Look at how beautiful it is, how succulent it is, how pretty it is, the steam. And look at the sauce, very nice, very nice. Auntie Donna, strawberry oxtail, and you guys need to taste this. Ready to go, and we're about to share.
So DMG and her team has done it again, Lord. I'm going to say shout out to her and her entire team because she alone couldn't do this. You understand? I'm going to play the D, but I'm going to have 2 cents same way I go say. Yeah, come on, I observe. But I'm not ready for to know what I observe yet. My son telling me I done big up Lady D first. So you know, it was another successful cake season. And as usual, we see where Lady D share her blessings. You know, with the homeless and the less fortunate. And when I look into it, you know what my loves. When I looking at it, you know what my loves. I really look into it and I say, you know, that's why that woman you always have to prosper, you know. In everything where she do, she always have to prosper. Because guess what? She not keep her blessings to herself. She share it. And this is not the first time she do this. She do it annually. And as you know, can see in the little video clip there, so she not gonna riff raff or not say a bare good things the homeless then get to eat. Or does she say a proper food and juice the people them get? Proper catering style. And not just food money and toiletries. And this was done from her own pocket, from her own blessings. So anytime I reach to them time, yeah, the homeless them down a town, them can look out at them, know say auntie done come. We know say all kind of people go down they go feed them, you understand? We know them get feeding pan a regular. But we know by now, so when Lady D are coming or Lady D are come different. She now come with a regular rice and peas and fried chicken. Nothing wrong with that. But the thing is, them used to them used to getting the rice and peas and fried chicken. So if I even one time for the year, them I get a nice little treat. Them now get the basic, them I get a nice little treat. So we know so them look forward to this. Them look forward for see Lady D every year when they reach them time, yeah. So big up to Lady D again because despite of the fact that she not really do charity again, but she still look out for them same way. But let me tell you what me I observe now, you know my loves. In our time with Lady D meet and greet, we say all kind of people rush out. Some of them who we not even know, we don't know what kind of hole, some of them crawl out. But everybody rush out, influencers, non-influencers, all kind of people. With the whole Derek saga, what it go down, same way the people them rush out. All big interview then keep. I have Derek a question about Lady D. See what go down what they know with the whole Sheen thing. Everybody and them woman, the whole of them gingeration rush out pan the woman again. So me ask you a question. Only when you know one bashar. Uno come out in no numbers, no crew, uno come out in a bungalow, uno come out galore, uno share that, uno highlight that, uno make sure say that out there. Once I sit when no please, and you have to do it done go. Then everybody pa every app no can think of them crawl out. Then me no see massive run out for that one yeah. Me no see massive run out. Yeah, people come out and talk and people are highlight. But you know, other regular people them will always come out and highlight and big up Lady D. For all of the stranger them, the influencers them, the whole of will come out for the bad. I want to not see this. I want to not hear about it. We no blinded to the positives. Nobody now say, "Oh, if come go pound, no need go worship her." Nobody now say, "Oh, if come praise her." But the same type of energy, where uno can give it the mix up. Why uno can get the same type of energy and highlight the good things them? No man, uno can do better. Uno can do better than that, man. I understand say no for uno no like her, no for uno despise her. And once uno see anything what uno feel can make her look bad, uno come out pan that. And uno highlight that and uno share it all over the place. So why uno can't highlight the good things them too? Uno hate her that much? Uno come out and uno bash her day in, day out, morning, noon and night, and uno bash her cake. Them uno have all kind of something to say about the cakes them. But the same cakes them we uno a bash are the same cakes them we help her to be able to do all of this. For the less fortunate, for the hungry, for the homeless. Are the same cake them, you know? And if you don't notice, she not give no riff-raff. The food prepare in a nice, clean environment. And she never get with no kuru on her heart. She give it with clean heart. Not because them homeless, or because them mentally challenged, or because them less fortunate. She treat it the same way like how she would have cater for a professional event, for a big event. And this is the reason when you're giving, you give without expectation. Right? You give without expecting nothing in return. Because at the end of the day, when you give and give with a good heart, you receive heavenly blessings in abundance. You don't know where your blessing them are come from. If I even once, you might not like her, but you can put on ego aside. Put aside how you feel. And looking at yourself and realize that this woman is not just for herself. You understand? She not think about for her needs alone, but also for the needs of others. She could have make her money and go back a foreign, you know. She could have make her money and go back a foreign. But she share her blessings. And what better way to do it than for look out for the homeless and the less fortunate. And the thing is, when she did I do it, and I do it with donations, some man no come out and no say she a scammer, she a thief the people them money. And no say all manner of evil. Now she a do it and she a do it from her pocket. Uno na nothing to say about that. Uno can't call her no scammer, uno can't call her no thief cause of fear money I do it. Uno like go for no ego man because deep down somehow no know say this woman isn't what uno portray her to be. Uno know within yourself, uno know about uno just rude, uno just bad, uno just out order. So if I even for once uno can say when I like her, but so if I for once uno can come out and say, you know, bad to bad, when I like her and when I like that woman, yeah, but nobody now go crucify you for that, Not a soul now go crucify you for that, cause uno don't put you out here already, so uno don't like her. But if I ever once in our life, if I even once in our life, uno must say something good in this woman. Uno not tell me nothing, uno know the things them. But uno just choose to be out of that rude. Uno just choose for come out pan a daily and tear down the woman. But to Lady D and her team, take up yourself, Lady D. Thanks for always look out for the homeless. You know, forget them. And they made this an annual thing. For share your blessing with them. None of them people are not homeless because them worthless. None of them not homeless because them dunce. But you say life is unpredictable. You don't know what gonna reach you. You will hear up and about, you have it all. And end up falling a little misfortune. And before you know it, you're up on the streets. None of them have family members. None of them have friends. But when them see them on the streets, them pass them like them don't know them. Them not try to help. But when somebody can come out and bless them generously, enough of them may give them hope. It's a ray of hope for enough of them. Because this goes to show that they are not forgotten. You understand? People still remember them. People still think about them. For some of them, the situation is not permanent. I just a little push them want. And once them get that push there, you understand? And not every homeless you see a mad smaddy. I just fall for hard times. So some people might not have much, but if you don't see them and they stretch their hand and you can afford to, you bless them. You bless them and watch no face. You see it? Because in doing so, you don't know that one little blessing, they not care small it be. You don't know what that one little blessing they can do for that individual. You can't see it as a little, a small Marcel. You can't see it as a little small thing. But to that individual is a huge blessing. I know where this way lady there do. It inspire a lot of persons. Some might look pan it and suck them teeth and say, "Cho, after another I want to feed homeless." But you have a lot of people who will see the video and inspired by it. You go supermarket, you come home, you pack out one tissue, one little soap, one little toothpaste. You know you pack from what you have and you see them and you bless them up. And you don't really have to beg nobody to do this. So once you can afford to, if I even bought soap and a toothpaste, if I even one little deodorant, if I even that, you understand? Yeah, people out there were ungrateful, but if I even that, some will see it as a major blessing. So I just want to say big up to Lady D again, big up to our entire team. Because in order to do things, you have to have the right people around you. You have to have people who willing. You have to have people around you who are push out good energy. Once you sense bad energy now, once you see bad energy, you might tend to lose motivation. So I just want to shout out the entire team, especially Auntie Paula and Jerry are fresh, and Natalie. And Tina, I'm feel like 14. I'm feel like 14. But I tell you something, I say Jerry, for your taxi man, Jerry full of patience. Jerry full of patience. I'm telling you what I observe with Lady D. Lady D seems like the type of person you have to understand Lady D. Because by now we ought to realize the Lady D miserable, Well, me don't know who else notice it, but me say Lady D miserable. And to be able to tolerate somebody that is miserable like myself, yeah, you have to can understand that person. Because if you don't understand that person, they every day on the motor go meet. So you say Jerry, very faithful, very patient. Me don't care what nobody have to say, but Lady D have the best team. The best team members. You see Paula now. Me can tell you something about Paula, Auntie Paula. Even if Lady D did hire a certified accountant, then could have never angle this like Auntie Paula. You don't see how the woman treat Lady D business like a fear business. You don't see how the woman angle Lady D business like a fear business. You don't see the hard work where Paula put out for Auntie Dana business, especially when it come to the financial side of it. Paula no play when it come to Lady D money. Auntie Paula keep record of everything. Me not think Auntie Dana could have keep a record of fear business like how Paula do it. Me not think so. What Auntie Paula to the flipping world. Everybody need a Paula in them life. Everybody needs a Paula into them life. So Lady D, your blessing all aspect. The woman name come with blessing. Once you call her name, it come with blessing. Especially we have platform. Because guess what now? She not have to come out and stretch to you and say, hey, hold this. This a for you, may I bless you. She not have to come and literally give to you. For you say you receive blessings from her. Because my platform, I fear people them come support me. So me I receive blessings from Auntie Donna too. Me I receive my blessings and I'm not gonna be ungrateful. So thanks for my blessing to you, Lady D. Thank you very much for my blessing too. Come start YouTube channel already out here. But I do positiveness, my love. But I talk about all kind of positive things. Me talk about procrastination. Me talk about domestic abuse. Yeah, but the channel where me talk about all of them things there, my love. Me talk about relationship. Me talk to the man them. And I make the man them know say, you can't want the woman them come a bed sexy and you no want come a bed sexy too. You no want woman come a bed in a nice sexy panty and lingerie and you want come in a bed in a so thing will look like a steak and train cassava juice. You know have a sexy and smell good too for the woman them in a bed too. Yeah, and them something them that talk about you know me love. And nobody no fat pa me. Not a soul fat pa me, my dear children. And one video me come out here come big up Lady D. One video me come condo and big up Lady D. In a less than 2 weeks, me reach watch hour. Me pass 1,000 subscriber. The channel take off, my love. And here I am now with almost 11,000 subscribers. So I know blessings this year from the woman. I know blessings me get too. Yeah, me get blessings too. For nobody never look for me with my positive channel. But I'll show myself to nobody never want to see me. Not a soul never want to see me. So big up to Lady D and me store basket this continue for run over so like a Duns River Fall. Big up to the team. I'm not left out the team them cause Lady D alone couldn't do it. You understand? One done ago and one done ago team. May God continue to pour down on blessings for in abundance. And love and respect to each and everyone. Man nah switch. Man nah switch. And when Lady D come here, come cuss we out. Cause I don't know more time bad to bad, you know she cuss we out. Me love more. But me nah look pan she and fear cuss out. Me love me. Me nah look my loves. For either way, me nah switch. I nah switch. Me still a stay upon the good side, my loves. So you, Mr. Shalom, you will come cussing, but Auntie Dana fi come down now. Me sorry for you, Mr. Shalom. She nah no come down for come down anytime soon. Cause God a forever elevator. God now put her down, no if nobody laugh after her. So yeah, go sing that song that till you grow, guy to Mr. Shalom. Cause you not see no farmer come down in anytime soon. Yes, my loves, anyways, my dear children, thank you all for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. Alright, so bless upon yourselves,